This is the Africa Missions Bible College in Yamata, one of the districts in the Greater Kigali, the capital of Rwanda. Our Bible College has served the needs within the Kingdom of God for a great number of years, and we have trained in excess of 900 students in the past 1.5 decades. Our institution is managed by Pastor Ndimibanzi. He served as college administrator for several years until his promotion to principal in 2022. After being closed for almost 2.5 years, during and after the COVID-19 pandemic, the Lord provided for a miraculous jump start and reopening in October 2022. As a result of this jump start, we were able to catch up 25 students who were in the system during the closure. Their graduation took place in February 2023. In January 2023, we launched a brand new and cutting-edge curriculum. This was made available by our awesome partners at Word and Life Training Academy. We have had 15 students training at the college during 2023. In October 2023, just a year after our miraculous reopening, the college had to be closed again. This time it was not due to the pandemic, or even due to a lack of students. It was done as a precaution so as not to attract the attention of the Rwandese government, who might close the facility permanently. This small nation implemented some stringent policies regarding churches, pastors and religious workers, and also training facilities. We have to comply. So, why did we close the college? The current state of our buildings is simply not up to standard. During and after the pandemic, we were unable to do any maintenance and repairs, and subsequently, the age of the buildings as well as some storm damage due to severe rainfall has taken its toll. We have also realized that the college needs an upgrade to keep up with the times. Our challenge: we have 15 eager students ready to continue their studies. We also have a new intake of 10 to 15 students that will start their first year in 2024. So, for the sake of 25 eager students, we really need to get some urgent work done at the campus. Some of the urgent work will include repairing the perimeter walls. Some of these are still mud walls. Repairing and painting the dormitory rooms. Replacing the existing beds and mattresses. Replacing the pit toilets with flush toilets, and installing showers in the washrooms. We know that our college adds significant value to the broader church in Rwanda and Central East Africa. The Bible College also serves as the Africa Missions Hub in the greater region. It is therefore essential that it is upgraded and reopened as soon as possible. But we have to be honest. We simply cannot do this without the help of the broader church and Christian business community. Please prayerfully consider helping us to revamp and reopen the Bible College in Kigali, not just temporarily, but for good. To support the Kigali Bible College initiative in any way, please see the relevant info flighted on screen right now.